How to make a fully functioning snake game with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's create 3 files: index.html, CSS file for styles, JavaScript file for logic implementation. We implement the structure in index.html. Creates a container for the game elements. Creates a canvas element where the game will be rendered. Displays the current score. Add a button to restart the game. Let's move on to writing styles. Centers the content both horizontally and vertically. Sets the background color to a dark gray. Sets the text color to white. Arranges the children elements in a column. Centers the children elements. Sets the background color to slightly lighter gray. Adds padding, border radius and a box shadow for a card-like appearance. Adds a white border around the canvas. Sets the background color to very dark gray. Adds a border radius for rounded corners. Adds a top margin to create space between the canvas and the score. Initially hides the button. Adds the margin, padding, font size, background color, text color, border radius and the cursor style. Adds a transition effect for the background color on hover. Change the background color on hover to a darker red. Let's move on to implementing logic in JavaScript. Retrieves the canvas element from the HTML and gets its 2D drawing context. Sets the size for each box to 20 pixels. Sets the canvas dimensions. Initializes the snake with one segment at the center of the canvas. Initializes the direction of the snake. Spawns the initial food at a random position. Adds the on-event listener for key down events to change the snake's direction. Checks for collisions and ends the game if a collision is detected. Checks if the snake has eaten the food and updates the score, spawn new food, increases the snake's length and increases the game speed. Moves the snake, redraws the canvas, snake and food. Sets a timeout to call the game loop again after the specified speed interval. Fills the canvas with a black background. Draw each segment of the snake in lime color. Draw the food in red color. Move the snake in the current direction. Add a new head segment and remove the tail segment if the snake is not growing. Change the snake's direction based on the arrow keys pressed, ensuring the snake cannot reverse direction. Spawn the food at random position on the canvas. Check if the snake has collided with the canvas boundary on itself. Check if the snake's head is at the same position as the food. Displace the restart button and stops the snake movement. Resets the game state to its initial values and starts the game loop again. As a result, we created a snake game with movement, collision detection, food spawning and scoring.